Now, if you don't want to spend a lot of money when you're expanding your garden, you could do a few things. You could just simply take your plants, cut them in half, and put them in spots where you need some more plants, or you could talk to your friends. Last year, I had one particular friend who had a lot of these very small miniature iris down here. As you can see, these are like the regular iris, but the tops of the flowers just stand up a little bit above this green. And she said to me, as she gave them to me, she said, just put them in places you know you want to expand, because they will, in fact, get bigger overnight, which they did. I probably started off with a small little clump, and it got this big in 1 year. I put a few here, and they all spread down here. So this was one plant that just spread by me just simply putting it in the ground and gave it some room to spread. Now, there are other plants that reseed themselves over and over and over again. Now, right here in this section of the garden, we have this Morton's pink plant, and as you can see, they're almost going by the wayside now. But all of these come about because they reseed. They drop their seeds, and then the little plants will form, and the following year, they'll turn into these adult plants. Now, if you look here, you will see all these little plants that are starting to form. Next year, all of those plants will look like this. There'll be this nice, brilliant color of pink, and literally I did nothing other than give them a little bit of space to drop their seeds. Now, if I really want to have these where I want them, I'll just dig these up. I'll put a shovel underneath it, and I'll take this little plant, and maybe I'll put it right here. And if I put it right here, I've moved it to a spot to maybe make a little more of this color right around this lily. And sometimes it's just as easy as that.